Good morning, family. Welcome back to Bright Tech Robotics. Here we teach robotics and computing, and we make it so simple for our students to understand. Today, we are going to have a look at the 3D printer. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe so that anytime we post such videos, you will get them on time. Guys, welcome back. So this is my 3D printer. So we have types of the 3D printers, and this is Creality 3D printer, and this is Ender 3 Vim version 2. 3D printer is used to print solid shapes like these things. So with this, we can use the 3D printer to print these things here. They are used to print solid shapes. So here we have the aluminum extrusion frame. The aluminum extrusion frame. One is here and another one is here. Then we have our shaft coupler. So the shaft coupler is here. These ones are our shaft coupler. Then we have our Z-axis rod. This is the Z-axis rod. Then we have our stepper motors. Then we have our timing belts. At the back here, we have our timing belts here. You can also find it here. Then we have our filament nozzle. So the nozzle, this is the nozzle head. The nozzle itself is down there. So we have our main board inside. That is the motherboard inside this one. Then we have our filament tube. So this is the filament. This is the blue color. Then I have other filaments here, of which I have not opened them yet. So this is color green. Another filament is here. So I have my power cable and my power supply is inside. If I raise it, you see the power supply and direct them. This is my display screen, and this is what we use to control it. Then I have the hot bed here. This is the hot bed. So you can raise it, then you remove your whatever you printed. So this one is like a magnet, so it will pull it down. So this is hot bed. Okay, so guys, this is the 3D printer. In our next video, I will show you how to design a 3D shape and how to print our shape using the 3D printer. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, in our next video, I'm going to show you how to design your shapes and how to print your shapes. Please like, subscribe and share our videos. See you again next time.